In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Ctrader platform. By the end, you'll know how to tailor your charts, arrange your workspace, and set up time-saving hotkeys so the platform looks and feels just the way you like it. Start by launching Ctrader and logging into your account. Make sure you see that the platform is connected and market data is streaming. If you're just experimenting, it's perfectly fine to log in with a demo account so you can try changes without any pressure. Next, open a chart. Pick any symbol from your watch list or the search bar and open its chart so you have something on screen to customize. Choose a familiar time frame, like M15 or H1, so you can clearly see candles and grid lines while you tweak settings. Now, right-click directly on the chart area to find the chart settings. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Settings, Chart Properties, or shown as a small gear icon on the chart. This is your main hub for visual customization. Inside Settings, head to the Appearance tab. Here you can select a light or dark theme, adjust background color, and choose candle or bar colors for up and down moves. Tweak grid visibility, line thickness, and crosshair style to improve readability. If you like cleaner charts, consider turning off unnecessary elements like session separators. If you rely on precision, enabling bid and AS lines can help. Also, take a moment to increase font sizes for scales and data if you view charts from a distance. The goal is contrast and clarity, so your eyes find information quickly. When you're happy, click Apply to preview your changes, or OK to save and close. Apply lets you keep the window open while you fine-tune. OK commits everything and returns you to the chart. With Visual Set, organize your workspace. Click and drag panel title bars like Watch Lists, Trade, or Active Orders to dock them to the left, right, top, or bottom. Docking guides usually appear to help you snap panels into place. You can also float a panel as a separate window, which is great for a second monitor or a focused view. Resize panels for optimal visibility by dragging their edges. Give your chart the most space, then adjust watch lists and order panels so key details aren't truncated. On the chart, use the vertical and horizontal scales to expand or compress price and time for a comfortable view. Finally, go to Settings and configure hotkeys. Assign shortcuts for changing timeframes, toggling crosshair, placing or modifying orders, and switching tools. Avoid conflicts with system keys, and test your shortcuts on a demo symbol to build muscle memory. That's it. Your Ctrader is now tailored to your workflow. Enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more efficient trading experience.